Hi. Today we are going to learn about this word. If you look at Korean community site, you can easily meet this word. This word is abbreviation of 인정. They get first letter of 인정, 이응, 지읒. And this means that you agree. I think they want listeners' consent. 인정 can use like this. 시험이 너무 어려웠어. 인정? But someone start to answer themselves with this word. This word is abbreviation of 응 인정 or 인정. Means yes, I agree. 시험이 너무 어려웠어. 인정? 인정. They don't really need listeners' consent. They just want to say what they want to say. But this is not the end. They are more transformational case. Like 시험이 너무 어려웠어. 인정? 인정. 반박 불가. 시험이 너무 어려웠어. 인정? 인정. 반박 시 시험 말못. Today we learned about 인정, 인정, and transformational case. I think it was helpful. 인정, 인정.